Hi everybody, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you really quickly to the next series of videos that we're going to be doing, and that's the Financial Analysis Toolbox. So if you're a business owner and you're in the planning stages of your business plan, at the end you've got that section called Financial Analysis. You may not be quite sure what to do with that, or what spreadsheets need to go in there, or what tools you need to use. These series of videos are going to provide those for you. Or if you're a business owner and you are trading, but you don't have the right tools to currently be recording your day-to-day transactions in your business, I'm going to give you those tools as well. Cara Bookkeeping Specialist not only provides outsourced bookkeeping services to business owners and accountants, but we highly value financial literacy, financial management, and financial analysis skills for business owners. So it's our goal to provide you with those tools and techniques to enable you to run your business successfully. We're going to start our series with the cash flow forecast, which is one of the most useful tools for any stage in your business, regardless of what your business is. It is so important. Without cash flow, you're not going to be able to continue trading. So this tool is one of the most important tools that I'm going to give you. We're going to go on and look at things like pricing strategies, sales and expense revenue forecasts, and planning reports, and profit margin analysis, for example. We're going to look at all of those kinds of tools that you need to use in your business. And as we go along, you may come across some terminology such as assets and liabilities, profit margin, contribution, sales, revenue, income, and understanding the difference between those. So I'm going to try my best to explain it to you as we go along and help you build that financial understanding. I really hope you find these videos useful. If you do, please let me know in the comments. And if there's a tool that you need that you don't have access to, let me know and I will make that one for you and distribute it to you. So thank you once again, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.